My name is Molly.
My name is John.
We are designers,
Artist.
creatives.
Husband and wife.
We run an art production company and are lucky to be surrounded by a dream team of creatives.
And we're ready to make a long-time dream of ours come true.
We are launching Artivity, an art education-based subscription box to impact lives all over the nation.
Our mission is to fill homes, schools, charities, facilities, and organization with the tools and knowledge to learn art, build confidence and self-esteem through creative challenges in art techniques,
And to open the doors of art and art history to those lives who otherwise would have been untouched.
In 2020, we faced a challenge with our youth being isolated due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
And dating back to 2001, the No Child Left Behind Act further removed the arts from school curriculums.
Artivity is positioned to assist kids with the teaching of art techniques, reading comprehension, and art history.
What makes Artivity different than any other subscription box out there? All lesson plans and materials are created and chosen by my husband, John. He's an internationally acclaimed artist.
I want to connect with the kids. I want to teach them how to have their own creative voice.
Every month, along with the lesson plan and tutorial card, the subscriber can view and review a live tutorial video of John teaching the art technique step by step. And that's not all.
We've created refreshing and exciting characters for the kids to connect with.
This teaching concept has been proven effective. Remember Mr. Rogers?
And Sesame Street?
Statistics show kids who participate in the arts score higher on SATs and are more likely to graduate college.
Statistics show kids who participate in the arts build self-esteem to participate in math and science fairs and be elected to class office.
Statistics show kids who participate in the arts practice creative problem solving and are more likely to win scholastic achievement awards and class participation awards.
Artivity will reach kids who might otherwise slip through the cracks.
Artivity will reach kids with different learning styles.
Artivity will create a feeling of connection and cooperation between kids and educators.
Artivity will make schools and homes a more exciting place for learning and discovery.
We promote and support art and healing. Not only will Artivity donate to our nonprofit partners, but anyone can choose to purchase a donation right from our website.
We support charities, organizations, and medical facilities with kids bearing disabilities and long-term illnesses.
Artivity as an activity for these kids will be stimulating and positively promote self-enrichment and healing.
Even though we have many resources in-house already, we need funds for startup expenses, inventory, and marketing.
Our goal is to raise $30,000 by selling 1,000 Artivity boxes at $30 a box.
By backing us for $30, you will be pre-ordering one Artivity box, which will be shipped as soon as it is ready.
At the $100 level, you will be pre-ordering 2 Artivity boxes, and we will donate 1 box to either of our local partners. Peace of Heart Community, a group home for nonverbal autistic women who use art to give them a heard voice, and North Florida School of Special Education, an institution that gives students ages 6 through 22 with intellectually and developmental differences a place to learn.
By backing us for $300, you will be pre-ordering a 12-month subscription at a discounted rate to be the first to learn 12 art techniques while immersed in art education. Help us help the kids of our nation be educated in the arts.
Help us help the schools of our nation reinsert art back into their curriculums.
Help us help the kids in need to experience art and its healing.
Help us help the kids of our nation find their very own creative voice.